Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be trying this Oats FuFu. This is 3.5 pound bag right here. I got from the African store. It's $5 for this bag. So I've been seeing ASMR on YouTube. They use the oats as fufu for their content, so I want to try it. I don't know how it tastes, but we all know how oatmeal tastes like. It doesn't have any taste without putting sugar or honey or whatever your preference is. So this has already been grinded for you, everything bagged. So, or you can use the the original oat and blend it to your consistency and everything else. But my thing is, this is already been blended, so there's no need for me to do so. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you. I have my small pot on the stove now with water boiling also, but I'm gonna show you the consistency or how it actually feels and stuff like that. So before I actually pour it into the pot, it's just a simple demonstration. You know, I've been cooking fufu since I was little, so it's it's literally, you know, no difference. If you feel like it's a little bit loose, you just add little as you go till you get that consistency. That's the way I look at it. So, but like I said, this will not have any taste, but you can add salt to your water. I'm not gonna add salt to the water because I want to show you guys how it tastes and the consistency. Okay, so now so this is my pot right here with the water boiling right here. So now I'm going to show you the consistency of the oats. Basically, this is the consistency. It's just a regular oats being grinded or blended, whichever way they did it, but it's like flour kind of, but like, you know what I mean? All right, so now we're going to, so I'm gonna, I didn't measure the water while I was doing this, so, but I'm gonna put as much into my bowl and see. As you can see here, the water is boiling there. Let me give you a full, yeah. Okay. And now we're just gonna add, I have my, what do you call it, my spoon. I'm just gonna add, if I feel like I need more, I will just add more as I go on, basically. Okay? Because I don't want to do too much, because I'm trying to see if this is something I'm going to like. You know what I mean? So my stove is on low, by the way, guys, so just in case. Yeah. You guys, this thing smell just like oatmeal. It's so funny. The smell that's coming from it, exactly like it. So I'm gonna use the rest of this to give it a full body texture of the fufu. A little bit loose, but this will make up for it now. Okay, just make sure you mix it good. Make sure everybody is in. Everyone is in. Okay guys, so see that? Fufu oats. So I'm still gonna give it like 10 minutes to just be on the stove to make sure everybody is done. I don't want to taste or eat any uneven, you know. So maybe if my sisters see that, I don't think they know this is, you know, oatmeal fufu is still existing, but it tastes just like it, guys. Just like it. Okay guys, so that's it. This is done. You guys, this is done. This is it right here. Okay, let me mix it a little bit. And now what you need to do is to just put this, you know, on a plastic wrap, like so. Like so. And just put it on a plate, like so. We're not gonna do that ball fufu today, so we're just gonna do this like so. Okay guys, like that. And take the plastic bag and just wrap your fufu, just like that. Make sure you have enough wrap, basically. So it's like you're forming a ball, a fufu ball. Okay, guys? Okay? And then after that, you have your fufu. Okay, so let me just wash this plate or switch this plate out, and I'll show you the fufu, how it turns out. Plate, and this is the fufu right here. This is the fufu right here, you guys. So let's see. Okay, so now take the fufu off the plate, and I mean the wrap, not the plate, and turn it. And this is the fufu. Okay guys, I'm going to be doing a mukbang, so watch out, and I will tell you exactly how this tastes and everything else. So alright, I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.